What is going on, guys? Sir Luis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys here how to buy the Empire token step by step, and I'm going to show you guys here two ways. The first way being the easiest, most convenient way, and then the second way being a little trickier but better for the long run. So as you guys can see right here, Empire token right here on CoinMarketCap, if you click on market, it actually tells you where it's listed on Gate.io, PancakeSwap, and a couple other smaller exchanges, right? So the first way is actually going to be on Gate.io, which it has the most volume at the current moment. Now again, if you're watching this in the future, this might be in other exchanges, but at the current moment, Gate.io is the biggest exchange that they're on at the moment. So if you still don't have a Gate.io account, you guys can use my referral code in the pinned comment. After you use my referral code, you have a Gate.io, and all you need to start a Gate.io account is an email, a password, and that's basically it. You don't have to wait and do KYC to get verified, then to trade. No, you can just start right away, similar to Kucoin. So then after you get your Gate.io, what you want to do is you want to fund your account, and the way that you do this is you send crypto over, right? So for example, you buy on Coinbase XLM, you send that XLM to your Gate.io account by going to your wallet, then going to spot account. Then you want to search right over here, you want to search XLM, and the reason why I'm using XLM is because XLM has like basically no fees and it's super fast when you transfer it, and it's on Coinbase. So right here you're gonna click on deposit, and then that's how you're gonna get your address and your memo. Don't forget to put your memo too when you transfer. So then after you transfer over XLM, you're gonna sell that XLM for USDT. So just search up here XLM for USDT, boom, right there, sell it for USDT. Then with USDT, now you're going to search your Empire token, right? Because that's what you want to buy. Empire token, click on that. And then right here with your USDT, you're going to click the amount that you want to use to buy it. Okay, click on the price, the current price. If you want to buy at the current price, then click right here. Or you could do a conditional or something like that. But then you click, and then you click buy, and then your order will be in, and then you just got to wait till it gets filled. And it's just that simple to buy on Gate.io. Again, you guys can use my referral code in the pinned comment below to buy on here. Now let me show you guys here the second way, and why the second way in my opinion is a little bit better, even though it's trickier. But the thing about this is, guys, that if you ever want to withdraw your Empire tokens from Gate.io, there's going to be a couple withdrawal fees. And if you don't want to have those withdrawal fees, if you don't want to keep the crypto on some exchange, right, if you rather keep it safer, then I definitely recommend MetaMask, okay? And the way that you buy it with MetaMask, obviously you get a MetaMask account. It's very simple to do. If you still don't know how to use MetaMask, watch a YouTube video. It's super easy. So then after you get your MetaMask account, you're gonna add the Binance network, which is also super easy. You just go to MetaMask and then add the Binance network, because the Empire token is under the Binance Smart Chain. And then you're going to go right here, which I'm going to leave in the description below as well, their contract address. Click the contract address. It even has a little MetaMask logo right here, add to MetaMask. You click add to MetaMask, or you can add it manually, right? Then you're going to go to PancakeSwap. And then for whatever coin that you have on your MetaMask under the Binance network, which, for example, you can have BNB, you can swap that BNB for Empire token, okay? And the way that you add Empire token here is you can paste it. Again, if it doesn't show up and you just recently added it to your MetaMask, definitely come back, refresh it, because it's gonna get added in a couple seconds. Then after you have it, you put the amount that you want to swap for. You swap it. Obviously you got to connect your wallet first, and then boom, it's in your MetaMask. And the best part is that it's safe because it's a hot wallet. Again, you can use a cold storage with MetaMask like Trezor and Ledger, and actually keep that Empire token in a cold storage. But again, the reason why this is better is because it's going to be safer, obviously, and also, in the future, maybe you want to stake Empire token, which they're saying that they're going to add. If you go right here to the website, they're going to add staking. So if you ever want to stake it, you're going to have to withdraw from Gate.io, and that's going to cost you some big fees. So you might as well hold it in your MetaMask. And also, one thing to note too, guys, is in the future, Empire token, they're going to have a DEX, which allows you to buy directly right on their website, which is going to be awesome. So right here, if you click on DEX, it says right here, coming soon. And then you're going to be able to swap anything for the Empire token. And instead of using PancakeSwap, you can just go right here and swap whatever you have for Empire token. And then again, like I said, they're also going to come out with staking in the near future. I'll probably make an update video on that. But yeah, guys, that's how you buy Empire token. Two simple ways. Comment below what you guys think. If you guys got any questions, use my referral code for Gate.io in the pinned comment below. And thank you guys again. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.